Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we started printing the patterns of the alphabets. In today's session, we are going to see pattern number 61, which is nothing but printing the alphabet called B. Sir, how to print this alphabet B? We have to discuss in today's session. Sir, how many columns we are taking? Already we discussed we are taking 5 columns. And how many rows we are taking, sir? So we are taking 7 rows. Okay. Sir, how to print the alphabet B? So just imagine I'm going to remove these stars here. I'm removing these stars here. I'm removing these stars here. And I'm removing these stars here. Sir, something like a B. But if I remove this first star and second star and this star also, is it looking like a B or not? Yes. Sir, which values will be considered? If your row value is 0 or if row value is 1, this is the first row, and second row, third row, fourth row, and row value is 4, and fifth row, sixth row, seventh row. So in the first row, fourth row, seventh row, complete row values we have to print. Sir, and what about the column values? In this case, first column, second column, third column, fourth column we have to print. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Sir, I have to repeat this process even for the first row, fourth row, and second row or not? Yes. Sir, let me convert up to this. So here I'm going to take printing of all the stars first. Okay, I will try to print all the stars first. You can see we are getting total, so 7 by 5 matrix. In this case, what are the constraints that they have given in the first row? That means if your row value is equal to, if I value is equal to, what are the values, sir? If row value is equal to 1, and if your column value is in, 1, 2, 3, 4, just I want to print the star. Sir, if it is not the case, then I am printing empty space here. Now let us see partial implementation of this B we got or not. Yes, only for first row. But we have to repeat this for fourth row and seventh row. That means I can say if your I value is in, so first row, fourth row, seventh row, we are printing like this. Let me cross check. Sir, is the partial implementation of B came or not? Yes. Now, sir, we got this particular row, this particular row, this particular row. Rest of the rows we have to print. In the rest of the rows, you can see which rows are pending, sir. Your row value is nothing but, sir, you can see row 1 is there. Okay. Sorry. Row 2 is there and row 3 is there. Similarly, row 4 is already used. Fifth row is there and sixth row is there. In these cases, what about your column values, sir? Only 2 columns we are printing. First column, second, third, fourth, fifth column. First column and fifth column we are printing. Sir, except that remaining things are empty, right? That's why we have to put one more condition. What is that condition? So if if your I value is in, so 2, 3, 5, 6, right? 2, 3, 5, 6, and your J value is in 2 columns, 1 and then 5. In such cases also print the star. Now see here, friends. Sir, we got to B or not? Yes. Just we are identifying the locations where we need to print the stars. Rest of the things are not at all required. I think you people got very clear clarity about how we can able to print these stars, sir. Okay, right, friends? I think you enjoyed this session, like how to print the alphabets A and B. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to see all the alphabets one by one. Sir, please practice these videos, then only you can able to get more clarity on this, right, friends? Thank you, friends. In the remaining alphabets we will see in the next upcoming sessions. Okay, thank you.